morning everyone. My name is Mansi Sanjay Kumar Suranshi and my today's topic is ETMF. ETMF means Electronic Trial Master File, and TMF the documentation refers to in the article 15 of the Directive 2001/20/EC, as the trial master file shall consist of the essential documents which is enable both the conduct of the clinical trial and the quality of the data produced to be evaluated. It is the collection of essential documents which are necessary for conducting a clinical trials, and it is usually maintained by the sponsor or the sponsor representative. The following essential documents are the first, protocol. It is the document that describe the background, rationale, objective, design, methodology and the organization of the clinical research project. Then second one is the informed consent form. According to the ICH GCP, informed consent is the process by which a subject voluntarily confirm his or her willingness to participate in the particular trial, and after having point between the inform of all the aspects of the trials that are relevant to the subject decision to participate, and it is the documented by means of the written, sign and the dated informed consent form. And third one is a investigator brochure. It is a compilation of the clinical and the non-clinical data on the investigational product that are relevant to the study of product in the human subject. Then fourth one is financial aspect of a trial. It is essential to document the financial agreement between the investigator and the sponsor for the trial. Then next one is a insurance statement. It is essential documents to that component compensation to subject for the trial related to injury will be available. Then next one is a sign agreement between the two involved parties. It is essential documents to agreement between the investigator and the sponsor and the CROs, and the investigator and the CRO. Then next one is the IRB composition. It is essential to document that the IRB is constituted in the agreement with the GCP. Then regulatory authority approval document, in that to document appropriate approval by the regulatory authority has been obtained prior to the initiation of the trial in compliance with the applicable regulatory requirement. Next one is a CV of investigator, to document the qualification and the eligibility to the conduct the trial and the provide medical supervision of the subject. Then medical laboratory technical procedure test, in that to document the competence of the facility to perform a required test and the support reliability of the result. Then ETMF, Electronic Trial Master File. It is a formalized means of the organization and storing the documents, images and other digital content for the pharmaceutical clinical trial that may be required for the compliance with the agreement regulatory agencies. The term ETMF and emphasis and the strategy, method and the tools used throughout the life cycle of the clinical trial regulated content, and it comprises software, hardware, document and the content are the stored electronically on the computer serves cloud, eliminated the need for the regulatory binders. Thank you everyone.